In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect domains in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take traffic that lands on one address and send it to another, all from within your Cloudflare dashboard. This is perfect when you've changed domains, reorganized pages, or simply want to consolidate visitors to a single URL. First, open your Cloudflare account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the sites you manage. Click on the specific domain where you want the redirect to apply. This ensures the rule is created in the right place because rules are scoped to the domain you select. Next, look for the section labeled Rules. This is where Cloudflare centralizes traffic logic, like redirects and other filtering. Click Rules to open it. Inside Rules, choose Overview. The Overview area gives you a clear starting point for creating a new rule and seeing what's already in effect. Now click Create Rule. You'll be presented with different rule types. Choose Redirect Rule. This tells Cloudflare you're creating a forwarding instruction rather than, say, a security filter or a transform. You'll be prompted to name the rule. Pick a name that describes its purpose, like route to new domain or legacy blog to main site. A clear name makes it easier to manage later, especially if you create more rules. Next, enter the request URL. This is the address pattern you want Cloudflare to watch for. Think of it as the source, what your visitors are typing or clicking. Be as precise as you need. It can be a single page or an entire domain. Then enter the target URL, which is where you want those visitors to end up. Use the full destination, including the protocol, like HTTPS password, and make sure it's exactly where you want people to land. Accuracy here prevents redirect loops and ensures users arrive at the correct location. Take a moment to review what you've entered. The goal is simple. Whenever a visit matches the request URL, Cloudflare will immediately forward it to your target URL. Clear naming and precise addresses make the rule reliable and easy to understand later. When everything looks good, click Deploy. Your redirect rule becomes active right away, and Cloudflare will start handling that traffic according to your setup. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected the domain, went to Rules and Overview, created a redirect rule, named it, defined the request and target URLs, and deployed it. With this in place, users are seamlessly sent to the destination you choose, keeping your site organized and your visitors on the right path.